how to create a font, custom font in Illustrator. Okay, Adobe Illustrator. First you write a text whatever you want using the type tool from the toolbar. So choose a bold font to make editing easier. Now expand it. Make the edits you want. From properties, then anchor point, transform. You need to work on X and Y axis, compound path, so we finished customizations of A and D. Now O. Okay, the letter O we are working on the edges. From properties, anchor text, transform X and Y axis, width and height. Okay, now with B, letter B, Adobe, same actually, properties, anchor text, X and Y axis. You need to change the point. Okay, X and Y axis point. Simply drag the curved line. So this is the last letter E. Anchor text, transform X, Y axis, width, height. Okay, so this is done. This is how the letter Adobe. You can also customize this. The link will be there in the description. Please subscribe our channel. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.